Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to clear or delete your browsing history in your Amazon account. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. It is quite easy. Initially, what I want to do is simply go to Accounts and List. I'm simply gonna hover over it right now. And as you can see, some things like this opened up. I'm just gonna focus on your account section and I'm just gonna scroll right back down. As you can see, here is something like browsing history. I'm just gonna click on it. Then I will be redirected to a new page like this that says your browsing history. Right now I want to clear it. At the top right, you'll see a gear-like icon. That is settings. Simply click on it and then something like this will open up. It's gonna give you a few options like simply remove all the items from view. You can remove it by clicking on this remove items button. And right here is something like pause history. And at the very bottom, if you require more settings, here's a button like this that says more settings. Simply click on it. And as you can see, from here you can turn on or off your browsing history. I'm not gonna look at it right now. For now, I just want to remove the items. I'm gonna click on this button right here. And guys, that's it. As you can see, my browsing history has been cleared. That's it guys. That's how we clear your Amazon browsing history. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.